Good morning and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha and we're continuing our continuous coverage of the situation as the tensions between India and Pakistan continue to escalate, with breaking updates now coming in of explosions that have been heard in Pathankot. Now, Pakistani provocation has continued for a third night in a row, and explosions have been heard around 5 a.m. And the explosions have been heard by the residents in Pathankot, and there is a blackout that has been put in place now, a blackout that has been enforced now. But as the sun rises, Pakistan remains unrelenting, continuing to target civilian infrastructure as well as the military bases. And these attacks have continued from the Pakistani side. What we're hearing in the latest is that explosions have also been heard in Pathankot. We are awaiting more details of the situation there at the spot. But remember, these attempts have continued from the Pakistani side through the night, and the drones and missiles coming from Pakistan have been intercepted by India, every single one of them. Now, explosions have been heard in Pathankot with the provocation continuing. We're awaiting more details. These explosions have been heard at 5 a.m. As of now, there are more details awaited on what the situation is at the spot. These sounds that have been heard by some of the residents, whether there has been any damage or not, all of that needs to be ascertained. So let's get you updates of what has happened in the evening as well. These attempts have only continued from the Pakistani side. In fact, in more breaking updates coming in, we're seeing a collision of Pakistan's misadventure. The drone provocation bid has been foiled in Jalandhar, and Pakistani drone bid has been thwarted, with these attacks being foiled in Jalandhar as well.